Good day, and welcome to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday. Today's topic is rights and responsibilities. Before I start the presentation, I want to take a few moments to remind you this Toolbox Talk is recorded. And as with many other informative Toolbox Talks and webinars, it can be found on our YouTube and Facebook media channels. If you are joining through those channels, remember to give a like and a share, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with safety in Saskatchewan. When it comes to safety, it is important that everyone in the workplace understands their roles and responsibilities in an effort to create and maintain a healthy and safe environment. The ability to work in a healthy and safe environment is a right everyone on the job site has. In order to achieve this, it is important managers and workers are committed to work together in a spirit of consultation and cooperation. Everyone must know what their duties are, have the authority, resources, and time to carry them out, and have the required education, training, and experience necessary to fulfill their duties. Division 3 in the Saskatchewan Employment Act breaks down the general duties of employers, supervisors, workers, self-employed persons, contractors and prime contractors, owners and suppliers. For the sake of time, we'll touch on employers, supervisors, and workers. The employer has many duties when it comes to safety in the workplace. Some of the responsibilities you may see written into their roles in the health and safety policy can include: make sure that managers and supervisors are trained, supported, and held accountable for fulfilling their workplace health and safety requirements. Oversee the health and safety performance of their managers and supervisors. Make sure workers have the information, training, certification, and supervision and experience to do their jobs safely. Consult and cooperate with the Occupational Health Committee or representative. Ensure workers are not exposed to harassment in the workplace. Ensure that legal, health, and safety requirements are met, just to name a few. Supervisors' duties are written to ensure a competent person is assisting the employer in ensuring the health and safety in the workplace. For supervisors, some of the responsibilities you may see written into their roles in the health and safety policy can include: make sure hazards are identified and proper steps are taken to eliminate the hazards or control the risks. Inspect work areas and correct unsafe acts and conditions. Instruct and coach workers to follow safe work procedures. Ensure only authorized, competent workers operate equipment. Ensure equipment is properly maintained. Ensure the necessary personal protective equipment is provided to workers and used properly. Ensure that workers under their supervision are not exposed to harassment at the workplace. The duties written for workers may not be as lengthy, but should be considered just as important to building an effective safety program. For workers, some of the responsibilities you may see written into their roles in the health and safety policy can include: understand and comply with legislation and workplace health and safety requirements. Follow safe work procedures. Use safety equipment, machine guards, safety devices, and personal protective equipment. Report unsafe acts and workplace hazards. Report incidences such as near misses, accidents, injuries, and illnesses immediately. Work and act safely and help others to work and act safely. Along with your duties, knowing and understanding your rights can play an important role in keeping each other safe on the job. The right to know. The right to know means that as a worker, you have the right to be informed by the employer of known or likely hazards in the workplace. If an employer does not disclose what hazards exist in the workplace, all workers have the right to ask for this information. Hazards are anything that has the potential to cause an injury or illness. The right to participate. This right allows workers to have input on the steps taken by the employer to ensure health and safety. Become involved in the Occupational Health Committee at work. Every Saskatchewan workplace with 10 or more workers must have a functioning Occupational Health Committee. This committee requires, at minimum, 50% worker representation. For under 10, an occupational health representative must be appointed for the workers to report their concerns. The right to refuse unsafe work. This is work that is believed to be unusually dangerous. Workers cannot be disciplined or fired for exercising their right to refuse unsafe work that is believed to be unusually dangerous. Some examples of this include a danger that is not normal for the job, like repairing a roof in dangerous winds, for example. A danger that would normally stop work. Example, operating a forklift with a flat tire. Or a situation for which a worker is not properly trained, equipped, or experienced to do the work assigned, like cleaning windows on a tall building with no fall protection equipment or training. Remember, the duties and rights discussed in this toolbox talk are a small part of many. You should have access to the Saskatchewan Acts and Regulations, no matter what job site you're on. For your copy, just head to the Documents, Forms, Legislation page on our website and scroll down to the legislation links. For questions regarding this safety topic or any other safety-related matter, please contact your safety advisor. We are here to help. Thank you.